Hello guys, my name is Willem. Welcome to LRTX Cars. You will probably know me more as a car YouTuber. And I also want to share a bit my experience, my road to success, I call it, my road to happiness. And along the road, I've been reading a lot of books. And since I know that there are a lot of people that don't like to read books, or just when they see some 200-page book, they think like, I'm not going through that. And I can get it. When I was a kid, I didn't read at all. And now I've read like 24, 25 books already the last 2 years. And I'm trying to build like a small overview of it to share with you. And you already saw my previous video maybe, where I read my own book, the book for non-readers I wrote down last year. And the previous month, on the 27th of April 2023, I wrote another one, the book to freedom. And that's also one I want to share with you. And it won't take as long as the other one. So maybe if you don't have much time, this will be better maybe for you too. And I'm just gonna start. After here, I've written the book for non-readers. A small thought in me says that without even publishing the smallest motivation book in the world, I feel like there's more to share in my road to freedom. I'm writing this not only for myself, but to improve every one of you their time here on earth. I must say thanks to all of you. Like I said, most of you will know me as a YouTuber that got lucky to find his way to success. But in this book, I want to share the principles in life to create success for all of you. When I say success, it can be anything you want, desire, or can imagine being here on this planet. Because when you can dream something, it is a vision of it that you have in your mind. So, you should have seen it in the past. I mean it when I say everything is possible. Because I'm no inventor or wizard. And I don't think you're one either. So we can't imagine things that aren't possible. Don't get me wrong by saying this. You can mix things up maybe, but you can't actually think about something that isn't there. Strange, isn't it? Your dreams are actually something that in reality can be done. Most of the times, someone probably has done it before you. So once and for all, stop saying to yourself that your dreams are impossible. Everything is possible. When I started my journey, along the way, I kept dreaming bigger and bigger. Because I knew that it was possible for a person to do it on Earth. It wasn't like I was actually dreaming. I just choose for my dream life. Don't think it comes to you. You choose it. Only, but like all things, your dreams have their sacrifices too. But you don't know of them until you start your game. And most of people I knew were only stopped by those negative thoughts that they didn't even know of what was to come. But would it be fun? Would it make you happy to know the rest of your life already? If God gave you the book about your life, would you really want to read it? Do you think it's going to make you feel better to know all the good and bad things that there's yet to come? Or would you choose to write it yourself? Or even build it yourself? Maybe hunt for it yourself to create the best life here that's possible for you to have. God only wants us to live our true destiny here on earth. And He lights the way for those who truly fulfill their destiny. You can choose yourself for suffering, or the bad things you could have changed. Don't point fingers for your own faults. Learn from them, build on them, and take the lessons along the way with you on the ride. It's you that doesn't want to see the signs that overcome you every day. You want to be success. You want success, so be success. It comes with its highs and lows, but it's only you that choose to keep standing. That's what it's all about. There are no glories without work and effort. It's wanting yourself to be better now than tomorrow or yesterday. Because all you got is today, not tomorrow or yesterday. So be better today, work for it today, do all the things you can think of today, till you find today. And when you have found that, you will be unstoppable, because you know the value this moment gives you. Today is not the day maybe what your dream life would look like, but you can choose to make it come close. And there isn't much effort in treating yourself nice and friendly with love. In good health and enjoying your day lays a big part of what I call freedom. The feeling of being happy all the time, from the moment you wake up till your last thoughts before you go to sleep. And even in your dreaming, be happy. That's all I want, and I think most of us in this world wants. Starting by small things that make you feel good throughout your day. Treat yourself as a queen or a king should be treated. Focus on yourself. Be good to you and those you love. Give love. Make friends. Just talk to someone. Give them your warmth and your positive vibes. Then people will see you as a queen or a king. They will respect your manners and kindness. Don't bother your world. Entertain it. Make it laugh. Make it feel alive. That's the only way your soul will be fed with love. After all, after all, there is only love and joy. You want to be loved or to give love. You want to be joyful and happy. So choose for it. Make your freedom in you. Start to smile now. Do not wait till say that it's easy. It's as easy as you make it for yourself. I have big dreams, but I can enjoy my humble life way better without the focus on money or stress. I let it breathe because I feel my body breathe. I am still here, all good, still can read and hear and think, or maybe all at once. Oh, lucky am I. We're all lucky to be chosen to be here, so don't doubt your freedom. You only got to open the gates of your own mind. Breathe like the sea that opens the waves in the sky. Welcome, I say to you, a new world, a new life of endless possibilities and things to do. Enjoy your steps on your way to freedom, because those steps are all that have made you the person you are becoming. And what would that person look like for you? Would it be happy and loved, or not much at all? It's yours to choose. I've chosen when I was 24 that I believed in my dream and in the blessing of life. And I learned that it's me who got the key to it. I can even choose the gate, or even build the castle behind the gate. I only got to believe in it, that it was possible. From that point on, when I choose to believe in my goodwill and love for all of you, I knew God would help me along the way, because I looked straight in my soul and listened to Him, what He had in plan for me. Listen to your heart. Don't let your mind ruin the feeling, because you can't fight the feeling of feeding your soul. There is no gold or diamond that can shine as bright as your soul that's fed. God will fulfill you with love and joy, and it makes you come to peace with your own self. Peace and freedom almost mean the same, but you can't compare them in a way that you will have felt it. You can feel at peace, relaxed, but it's more of a come and go thing. Come and go sense. Having found freedom is more of a life sense. It's being at peace all the time. No more suffering or war, no more hate or wrong. Freedom is all good. It's letting go of all thought. It's being one with yourself and your spirit, the spirit of love and joy. True freedom has no boundaries. It's unstoppable. It's God's force in you. Be open to it. Pray for your own blessings, because there are always lights that can't be seen. We all have things to complain about, but those bad moments make the good ones. Writer Willem Mulder. Yeah, thank you guys. Hope you've enjoyed a bit of this small overview. I hope it can help you in the way it helped me. I read it like once a week, once a month, when I feel like that I need like the extra push. The same with reading books. In the previous video where I talked about this, I called the book Freedom. The other one I called the book for non-readers. I also mentioned a lot of books that also can help you on the journey to your happiness, to your beautiful life, and to make all your dreams come true. And yeah, maybe I'll make another video if I've written down something else. Also want to maybe do a Q&A if you have questions about this topic. And thank you guys all for listening to me, of course, and I hope it can help you. And yeah, keep the good thing in mind always. Don't let the negative ruin it, because life is way too beautiful, guys. Actually, it's 7 years already, but it's you that need to see it. It's you that can choose for it or make hell of life. That's also something you can choose for. But yeah, it's a bit of a road, guys. It's not something that happens throughout a day or a night or a week or a month. It's something you constantly need to practice on. But yeah, it's worth a try, I think. It helped me a lot. It's still helping me. I can't live without. I'm also doing, instead of reading books to train my mind, I'm also doing yoga and meditation. I go to the yoga and meditation of Deepak Chopra. I recommend him because he has like a nice voice to listen to, and he lays it out good, and get all the information I want, and it's not too hard or something. It's just simple. Some yoga. I do like 7 spiritual laws of yoga, it's called. It's also a video on YouTube you can check out. And I do it like once, 2, 3 times a week. I don't have the time, but it really helps, guys. It makes me come to peace with my own mind. And then afterwards I do some meditation to find some extra peace. And then afterwards I'm like zen, and my mind is more open to think positive, and it puts down all the negativity, and just a fresh start. Then I can reset it with the meditation, reset my mind, get all the negative things about this life or about my life out of it, and start with a fresh look on it. And I also recommend to do it for you guys. Do some reading, do some working out, go to the gym, or choose a nice sport to do, because sporting is also good for the body. Then you don't think much, then you just get like all the energy out. Do some meditation, do some yoga, eat healthy. Another very important thing is to eat healthy, because yeah, if you want to be like the best, if you want to think the best, then eat the best, guys. All those cheap junk food, it tastes great, but it won't fuel your body. It only gives negativity, and your body, if you feed it with negativity, the negativity comes to your mind, and that's the way it goes, guys. And girls, it's very important to be healthy, to do some training, to do some meditation, to do some yoga, to train yourself to make you the strongest. It's not about your fucking job, it's about you that needs to be the best, not your job, not your house, not it's you that needs to be the best, you that needs to be happy. And yeah, it helped me, guys. I can only say things to help you on your journey, but yeah, it's you that eventually need to do it. And I believe in you guys. I believe that everyone can do it. So big thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next video. If you have questions, comment them down below. If you aren't subscribed to the channel, I mostly make car videos, but I will do another video like this, of course, in the future. And yeah, see you guys. Bye.